Hello and welcome. This video we will see how to continue the installation of CDP. In previous demonstration we have seen how to do the prerequisites and installation of Cloudera Manager, and all these things we are doing in a POC or non-prod way of installation. So open a browser, use http:// then IP address. So this is the public IP address of my machine, and just hit enter. So :7180. Okay, so I can see a login prompt like this, and the look and feel is slightly changed. Go ahead and type my credential like admin. So once we are in, like you can see the message like this. The first option is upload the Cloudera Data Platform license, so which is the one if you are doing in a production way of installation, but ours is completely a testing or simple testing environment. So we are using like trial version for 60 days, and you have to hit this to accept the license and then continue. And the look and feel is almost similar to the, we can say almost same as the Cloudera previous installation, but only the difference is there are some tools like which were available in Hortonworks only, so they added those tools and ecosystem components here. So here the welcome message, go ahead and hit continue, and this is the part where you can set your cluster name. So I'm just changing like demo 01. You can use any name, and the host name. So what are the host name we are going to add here? So it's in master.hadoop.com. so this is a host which I'm going to add, and I have only one host available. So if you have multiple hosts, you can use this portion to write your host name, or if you have something like a regular expression pattern, those pattern also you can give here. So I can see this is something like successfully scanned, so that means we are able to reach to this host. Since only single node host, so this doesn't make much meaning. Like I have only single node, and on that I have installed this Cloudera Manager and doing everything on that. Then continue. So we have a repository option like a public repository or custom repository. So we are using this public repository for this agent installation, and CDH and other components. So I'm using the default. So the parcel is the default recommended option, and the version. So we don't have much choice here. It's 7.013, and the other products I'm just leaving as it is default, and which is none. Go ahead and hit continue to proceed. And for JDK we have 3 options. So one is the manual installation of JDK. Second is like the Cloudera provided along with this package, or in the repo the Cloudera has JDK, and operating system JDK also. So I'm using this Cloudera's one. Select that and hit continue to go further. And here we have options like the login credential that we use for the installation. So basically it uses this user to log into each and every machine to connect and then do the installation of all these components. So you can have the separate user created before this installation, and you need to give that user to passwordless sudo access. So you need to go and edit with sudo file to do all those things, or if you have root password or root key, that is also fine. And we have 2 options like the key based and password based. I am using the password based. So typing the password and typing the same password, and the port number of simultaneous installation. So if you are installing a multiple node, like the 10 installation will happen at a time. So again in our case, so this doesn't make any difference because we have only single node. Then hit continue. So this do the agent installation and other configuration on all the hosts. so failed to authenticate. The reason is maybe the root password may not be correct, so I need to update that. So in my case, I'm just setting this root password, and right, so I may need to do a retry here, because it used that user and credential to communicate, and maybe my root credential was something different, so that is the reason it got failed. Okay, now if you just hit on the detail, you can see what is happening inside. So it's all using the yum install on the host to do the installation of agent and other component. Now you can see it's installing Cloudera Manager agent. Okay, this is completed, and you can hit continue to go further. And this part, it's doing the download and distribution of this parcel file. You can see this is downloading, and also you can, if you have multiple hosts, it will show the number of hosts it's downloaded, number of distributed, etc. And the first thing, it has to download on the master machine. So once that is downloaded, it will push that parcel file or compressed parcel file to all the hosts in the cluster, and from the cluster it will do the uncompression, so that is the unpacking. And once it's uncompressed, it will create a symbolic link for that file or file that directory, so that is the activation. So these 4 phases are there, so it has to do all these 4 phases to install the parcels. So now this is completed the parcel installation. So we have 2 options. So one is the network, inspecting the network performance. Second is the inspecting host. So if you just hit this, definitely it will fail. The reason is we have only single host available. And if you just hit here and view the command detail, you can see the detailed description, like the insufficient host. So we need more hosts to add here so that this won't come. Second is a host inspect. So host inspect, so basically check all the prerequisites are in place, and so you need to run that. So let me just run this inspect host option. So all looking good, and it's changed to green. If you have multiple hosts, again here also we should get the green. And here you have option like I understood the risk, let me continue. This is the only option to go further, otherwise you need to have more nodes. Then continue here. And this part we will get some options like what are the packages or what are the ecosystem components you want to choose. So there are some pre-built templates available or custom option also. In the custom option you can select the tools or ecosystem components you want. You can see the Atlas. So earlier Atlas was part of HTTP package, and you can just see Impala is here, so which was a Cloudera one, and Ranger is here, so which was coming along with Hortonworks. So all the tools you can see. So for this time I'm just selecting HDFS, then Yarn. So where is Yarn? Yarn and Yarn Queue Manager, and Zookeeper also. Just hit continue. And host selection part, you can see the assign roles. So where basically we need to select the host where you want to do the installation. So in our case we have a single node, so we don't have much options to choose here. So only the same or single host available. Everything will be installing on that host. Hit continue. And this one we can do a test connection. So here it's making use of a database, so which is inbuilt DB, and this is a credential, and this is used for one of the Cloudera manager service. Okay, rman is the username, and this is a password. So just hit here to test the connection, and if the connection is okay, then you will get a good to go message here, and we should be able to click continue to go next. Okay, so looks good, it's successful, and we can continue. And it's asking for typing the credential for Queue Manager web app, and username is like admin, and here typing the password, whatever the password you want to set. Just hit continue. And here you can review the configuration. So what are the configuration it's using for the services we selected, and you can change those things like DFS block size, all those things. And again, so some of these configurations are we can change later also. Hit continue. And here it will do the installation or configuration of the components we choose, and you can expand this and to see the detailed view. Okay, and you have to wait until this is complete. So again it takes some time. You can see 2 out of 4 has completed, and here it's showing the details. Just expand that and see. Just give some time for this to complete, and wait. So now this is completed. Hit continue to go next, and you can see this is complete. And you can see this window. So we have the HDFS Yarn Queue Manager. So this is showing in amper state, that is okay for this time. And this is the Cloudera console, and you have the services. Similar to any other configuration, we can add the services. And that's it about the installation. I hope you enjoyed this learning. Thank you for watching this. We will see in the next video.